Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will assemble Xbox again. First we need to put back the sink, heatsink, and on the back on the locker. Just press these lockers and it will be fixed like this one. Okay, now we'll put it back on the sachet. So let's fix it from the start, and there you go. Try to make sure these are properly seated down, and then you have to draw some screws. This one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna
Locks for screws, which are made from plastic. Tidy 4 screws as well. There you go. And then this ankle lock for buttons and other things. You have to slide it like this one, so it will connect here. First, these three screws, tight them up. Then these plastic lockers on the back of it, one here, one there and there. There you go, 1, 2. These two are for the front case, and then one in the back. Screw it down so it will be protected. Okay, next place the CD-ROM and tight its screws as well. Then we will cable and this data cable back in the slots. This one is for hard drive and this is for hard drive power. So next up is hard drive. There you go. Plastic lock, and there is a screw here to tie them up. This one is the bottom, and we will place the case back in. There you go. Now on the top, we'll put the top back on, and then we will connect the Wi-Fi adapter as well. Oh, forget to tell you fan. Okay, fan back in and properly locked. And there is a hard drive, lock it as well. And now the top on it. This is a little bit bent, so I fix it. And now we'll cap it back. This is the Wi-Fi. There you go, the Wi-Fi is connected to this slot. These two screws for diagonal lock. And this is the cable that will provide the Wi-Fi to the main board. Now we'll connect it to this. Okay, now we have to put the back case and this sound speakers. There you go. The trickiest part is this Wi-Fi adapter, so we have to connect it properly, otherwise it will be an issue. Little bit dust to clean up. Already cleaned the whole fan and assembly. Now we'll screw it down. This Wi-Fi connectivity from here to here. This strip is the sound cable, so we'll connect it here. At the bottom you can see the speaker, and there is a speaker cable. Properly tied it up and lock it, and there is a speaker jack. I'm going to show you this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw. You have to tighten these screws back. These long screws came here. These are the shorter ones, and this will tie it first. And here you go. After this, we will tighten these 5 to 6 screws. These 3 screws on the top, you can see it's for the Wi-Fi. Before connecting the Wi-Fi, tie the screws. These screws are for Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna tie this one, the center one, so it will not move. And after that, I will tie the other one. Now this Wi-Fi needs to be connected here. Okay, now we have to connect this Wi-Fi router back in. We will push it to connect with the jack on the bottom, and then we will tie the screws. These screws, 1 to 3, and that is a screw. Now we will tie these 2 ones. Now clean this head off so we can put it back. This is actually Xbox One, I think so. So it will lock from the front and then we'll lock it at the back. It's a very hectic job. It's too much tight and you need to be very careful. Work with decisions and be patient while connected this. It took me just few minutes to open it and close it back, and it took me so much time to connect this top monitor. Once you connected the top, then you have to place this vent back on. It's on the side where the USB terminal is shown. So after a long struggle, I've been able to connect it, the top and the bottom. Now the vent, air vent goes here. There is a small button, you have to just place it back carefully. This one you can see. Try it like this and try to be gentle with it. Once you have placing back the button, now you have to place back the vent. This is a vent, and on the one side you can, from the one side you can place it like this, and on the other side just push it a little bit so it will be on the location where it will have to be. There you go, we just assemble our Xbox One back after full service. If you need service in Pakistan, just contact us. Okay, the fruit of our hard work back. There you go, Xbox is power on, and there you go. It's not heating up or shutting down again. Otherwise it just came on to Xbox One and then shut down. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comments.